If you find yourself banned from Snapchat or believe it was a mistake, you can appeal the decision. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about your account, including your username, email address, and any notifications you receive regarding the ban. This information will be necessary for your appeal. Step 2. Visit the Snapchat support page. Go to the official Snapchat support website. Look for the section related to account issues or bans. This is where you will find the appropriate forms and instructions for submitting your appeal. Step 3. Complete the appeal form. Fill out the appeal form with accurate information. Be sure to explain your situation clearly and concisely. Mention why you believe the ban was unjust and provide any evidence that supports your claim. Step 4. Submit your appeal. After completing the form, submit it through the Snapchat support page. Make sure to double-check all the information before sending it to avoid any mistakes that could delay the process. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for Snapchat to review your case. This process may take some time, so check your email regularly for any updates or responses from the support team. In conclusion, appealing a ban on Snapchat involves gathering your information, filling out the appropriate forms, and patiently awaiting a response. Good luck!